Hey again, so the backup is ready and I already moved to the new control plane box that it's on 3.8 yet, but it's going to be our control plane on 2.1. So I mount the shared storage and I'm going to run. And here we have an inventory, but this inventory is a smaller one, as you can see, just 2 tower nodes. And we are going to restore the old backup here. So let me try to remember how does this work. Restore, we have to set up restore slash underscore backup file, and the backup file is going to be amount I don't know the name. Let's check how it's called. Okay. Tower backup. Latest. And since I use compression, I'm creating the backup. I'm going to use it again while restoring it. And we are going to restore everything on our new relay based Tower 3.8 cluster with just 2 nodes. So let's wait until this finish and we'll continue later.